What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having an amazing day today. We're back. If you're here for the very first time, smash it, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Alright, guys, I just came back to do an update for you guys. If you have not checked out this system, this program, Guaranteed Leads IO, you gotta go check it out. The link is in the description. The next level automated home business success. I'm actually really impressed with what it has done thus far. I don't know why I shouldn't be, because like I said, Jason always puts together a great marketing system, and that's what he's done once again. So when I got in this thing, I received an email from the owner, and I looked at this video right here, and I was in. That's why it's important for you to go click that link so that you can see this video to see what this is all about. Alright, so Guaranteed Leads IO. The main reason I got started with Guaranteed Leads IO is because of the leads. The system is great. That's wonderful. You're going to be able to earn $75 instant commissions. That's a low ticket program, but it provides cash flow, right? And it's great for the masses because this system is only $125 to get in, guys. Okay, $75 is going to go to the person that invited you, and $50 is going to go to the company. No monthly fees. That's it. That's all. You get a marketing system. You get capture pages. You get the autoresponder. All that. Okay, for $125. But why I really got started with it is because what's in the back office, what's inside the system beyond this. Okay, the lead problem solver. That's what I was interested in, and that is a vendor that's in the back office that offers targeted leads, and they will connect with your leads, okay, to your leads for you by sending them text messages and emails. Okay, so they've already interviewed these people. These people have raised their hand and said, hey, I'm interested in making money online. I can spend up to $400 in a home business opportunity. Okay, so they already have interviewed these folks. Okay, so not only do they have those interviewed leads, but for them to text them on my behalf, send them an email, follow up with them, keep sending them to the link that I provided, what business opportunity that I wanted to provide them to, okay, that I wanted them to see. Okay, so the company is doing that. Then the company is going to send me the name, email, and phone number of these people, just so I'll have them as a record. Hey, here's a lead, here's a lead, here's a lead, right? On top of that, when the prospects clicks my link, the link that I sent the company, okay, this company, this vendor is going to text me and email me and say, hey, hot lead, they just clicked your link. So that's giving me the green light. What I do is when that happens, I'll go ahead and call, text them myself to let them know, hey, I'm a real person. Hey, I see you just took a look at my website. Do you have any questions, etc.? Okay, so this is what I'm doing. All right, so that's why I got started with this, because I can promote whatever I want. Not to mention, with this system, you're able to promote your primary business in your back office. When your new business partners sign up with you, when they log in, they will see there's a section for you to put your link for your primary business. Okay, so you're promoting your primary business, you're earning $75 commissions, and you're getting access to this vendor. Okay, this is powerful. This is powerful. So the power of one, when you combine GL, which is Guaranteed Leads, with the lead generating services that's in the back office, you can create an extremely powerful money-making system, a system where 95% of the work is done for you, and once qualified, you make $75 commissions on every sale. All right, so this is a one-up comp plan. The very first sale that you make, you refer someone to your link and they they're going to send you $75. They're going to pay the company $50. The second sale you make will automatically pass up to your sponsor. And the third sale and beyond, you will keep all those sales. But what's so cool about this is everybody that signs up with you owes you their second sale. Okay, and that's passive. It's going to be passive commissions that's just going to be passing up to you. Okay, so that's what makes this powerful. Like I said, on top of you being able to promote your primary business, and forgot one thing, the vendor in the back office allows you to be an affiliate of that service as well. The targeted leads, that whole system. When people log into the back office, their back office, your link, you need to put your link. There's a video to tell you how to do this. You're going to put your affiliate link for those services in there. So when they click that link to order, you get the credit for it. And the vendor is going to give you a commission on top of that, guys. Okay? So it's a one-stop shop here. Promoting multiple income opportunities. Start today for $125 one time. But we're not done. Stacking the value. Targeted leads, the vendor in the back office, the automated SMS communication, that is the vendor that's in the back office. Email marketing, lead marketing. Okay, all this is in the back office. And as I stated, you can put your picture on here as well. As I stated, you can promote your primary business with this as well. This system comes with an autoresponder and everything. It's locked and loaded, ready for you to use those services in the back office. You can also buy solo ads. I'll refer you to a couple of my vendors if you want to do the solo ads. I do solo ads as well. I'm doing this several ways. Now, what I came to show you today is more results, and to show you that I'm always, it's one thing that I'm going to be 10 toes down. Walk it like I talk it. Okay, have you ever heard that? I'm going to be a product of the product. So I purchased the service. That's why I got into this program, not to just make the $75 commissions, right? Yes, we're doing that. But I also went ahead and ordered my service. It took a few days because a couple of staff members were sick, but mine is up and running, and I'm receiving my emails and my text messages. Now I'm going to show you, I'm going to have to cover up some of this because we're not going to reveal who the company is and the vendor and all that, but just know I'm going to show you as much as I can. Mine started on Monday. What's today? Wednesday? Monday. Okay, so I've already received 15 leads. Now the way I have mine set up, and you can set yours up any way you want, I'm receiving 5 leads a day because I don't want to be overwhelmed. I have a whole lot of other things going on, a lot of projects, a lot of things going on. Okay, so 5 is enough for me. Now you can set yours up to receive 20, 30, how many ever you want to receive a day. Okay, but I'm receiving 5 leads a day. Okay, so it is set up and running. All right, so I'll show you as much as I can, but you definitely want to go check this thing out, guys. The link is in the description. Get your system, start earning these $75 commissions, and tap into this company. Okay, this vendor in the back office. So let me show you. Another $75 came in. The other thing I want to tell you guys, if you set it up where you're accepting credit cards and debit cards, your people are going to be automatically approved. Okay, in other words, you don't have to mark your person paid, which is no big deal. But if you accept Cash App and some other things, you're going to be notified on your phone. Then you're going to have to log in with your phone, which is no big deal, and mark the person paid. Find their name in your back office and click the button to say paid, once you receive your payment. But if you accept credit cards and debit cards, the system is going to just automatically mark them paid without you having to do anything. Okay, it's on autopilot. I love it. I love it. I love it. So anyway, let me show you this other payment that has come in, and I'll show you much as I can. Okay, with my leads that are coming in this service. I'm already using the service. All right, so hold on. Okay, and this is just through Stripe, guys. We can receive payments via Bitcoin, Venmo, Cash App, Authorize.net. There's different ways to receive them. So I'm just showing you this one. Here's the other one that came in January 31st, which was yesterday. Okay, and they paid with a debit card or credit card. When they do that, I don't even have to mark them paid. I don't have to go to my back office and do anything. The system is automatically going to do it for us. I love the way they have this set up. Okay, so another payment has come in. This thing is rocking and rolling. Let's go. Okay, right here. Okay, I'm just going to cover this so it doesn't show people's emails and the company. But right here, you see it says notification at HOM. See, it says the number 5 there. Remember I told you I'm actually receiving 5. I mean, you can receive as many as you want to be able to accept. Right here, here's 5. Okay, so this is today, 5. This is yesterday. Let me show you the other one because I started on Monday. All right, so let me show you the other one. Hang on. Okay, right here, here's the other 5. Okay, all right, guys. So I have started, and I can't show you the text because if I show you the text where the hot lead came in, it's going to show the person's name and email and all that stuff. All right. Okay, what I did real quick is I emailed myself. I took a screenshot of the text. Right here, you see it says hot lead. Okay, I took a screenshot of it and I marked out the person's information. But this is what happens. They send me a text message saying it's a hot lead. It has the name, email, and phone number of the person. Okay. Not to mention they already emailed me all the leads initially. Okay, so this thing does work, guys. All right, guys, so if you're ready to get started with me in this system, the link is in the description. Go check it out. Get started. It's only $125 one time, no monthly fees. All right, so if you have any questions, reach out to me. Look forward to working with you. If you've already signed up, get back with the person you signed up with, okay, so that they can guide you in the right direction, all right? But for all my folks that's ready to get started with me, link is in the description. Give me a jingle. Let's get you started. And I'm starting a rotator, okay? So when you get signed up, send me an email with your capture page for this program, okay, so that I can put you in my rotator when I run traffic. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.